recommendation from others who had dealt with Mr. Andrew Miller and the service he provided with positive outcomes. Platelet-rich plasma injections around osteoarthritis to a right knee, following to ACL replacements and repair to a medial ligament. The communication from start to finish of the assessment, the review of it, and then establishing the treatment paths was exemplary, and the subsequent treatment, recovery from it, and then able to pursue the activity levels I wanted to do was worked out as Andrew advised. Well, Andrew's communication of it was on point, the pros and the cons, but the potential benefits of it. For me personally, it's enabled me to cycle from Newport, South Wales to Nice in France, and just complete 100 kilometers snowshoe challenge within the Arctic Circle. So that wasn't even part of the treatment thing I was going for, but yeah, it's been very, very good.